What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today's video is going to be on why I believe we're now in an altcoin season. We're going to be seeing many altcoins pumping anywhere from 200 to 1000% in short periods of time. So in this video I'm going to go over many altcoins that have already gone up over 500%. Also I'm going to go over a small list of altcoins I think are going to be going up a lot in the near future, as well as some data on why we are currently in a altcoin season. So before we get started with the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. I'm doing 5 crypto videos per week. Also, please comment below if you have any questions or comments. So I do believe we're finally in an altcoin season. Binance called this in the beginning of March, but then we did have that coronavirus dip mid-March, which did knock off about 50% value of most cryptocurrencies. So we are finally recovering from that, and I do think we're finally in an altcoin season. Many altcoins seeing anywhere from 200 to 1000% profit in just the last month alone. So I'm going to show you guys 15 altcoins that have gone up at least 300% in the last few weeks to the last month, as well as show you guys a list of altcoins I'm pretty bullish on that could still have significant gains in the near future. Also, I'm going to show you guys a list of altcoins I recently did good profits on, starting with Cardano ADA, which I think has a lot more room to grow, headed towards the end of July, where they are launching their mainnet, staking, and getting a Coinbase listing soon after that. I do think many other partnerships are coming out of this as well that will be offering staking on their platforms, like Binance and Atomic Wallet just announced within Twitter that they will be adding staking for Cardano as well. So I do think this has significant room to grow, especially because it's not up too much yet. SparkPoint SRK up 600%. This is still a very low market cap as well. These two cryptos are long-term holds for me, but it is great to see these projects going up a lot in the short term as well. So I am very bullish on both of these for the month of July as well. So I also did great on Origin Protocol, OGN up 100% in less than 2 weeks. Kyber Network KNC up 80% in less than a week, and Theta Network up 300%. So I was able to pick up some huge gains on some great altcoins, but there are many more altcoins than this that had even more gains. So I'm going to go over at least 15 altcoins that have had huge gains, and some altcoins as well that I think are due to go up very soon as well. So some data that does show we are in the next altcoin season. This tweet here shows for the first time we've stepped above the line of resistance for altcoin market dominance. So as Bitcoin dominance drops, that means altcoin dominance is rising. And last time we were at the peak bull market was when Bitcoin dominance was pretty much at its lowest. So the fact that we are seeing Bitcoin dominance going down and altcoins rising is a great sign that we are headed into the next altcoin season. So this chart here does show some pretty bullish data showing that we are crossing that line of resistance for the first time since the peak of the last bull run. So something else very bullish is this image that Lark Davis posted about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hit its all-time high price of $20,000 on December 18th. The Bitcoin market dominance at the time was around 50%. We're currently about 62%. So remember, a new all-time high for Bitcoin is most likely to happen when the rest of crypto is pumping, which we are starting to see now, which is a great sign that we are headed into the next bull market. We're definitely in an altcoin season now. So Bitcoin did hit 20K when its market dominance was the lowest. So when we do see Bitcoin dominance start dropping significantly, I do think that's when we're going to be headed into the next bull run, and we will be seeing much crazier price action than we are in the last month. Some more bullish data is Paul Tudor Jones reportedly buys Bitcoin as an inflation hedge. He also compared crypto to the 70s gold trade, which was a significant amount of profit made in gold at that time as well. So with all the money the governments are printing for coronavirus, and coronavirus is just getting worse, so they're going to have to keep printing money, trillions of dollars the governments are printing around the world. And this is going to cause inflation with fiat currencies all over the world. So that alone is going to make the price of cryptos go up. But we also just had the Bitcoin halving and many other things that are happening in the crypto space that are very bullish. The crypto space has also come along much further than it has at the peak of the last bull run. There's many more platforms to buy crypto. There's talk of PayPal adding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by the end of 2020 as well. So much more crypto adoption has happened, as well as the crypto space has just advanced much further in general. So I definitely think we're getting close to that next bull market. And that inflation, I think, is definitely going to kickstart that. So within the next year or two, we are going to be seeing this inflation kicking in pretty hard. The normal amount of inflation per year is about 3 to 5%. So with the trillions of dollars they are printing, I wouldn't be surprised if we see 10% or more inflation for the next 2 years. We're also going to see many of the other markets be rocked, like the stock market, real estate market, and stock market are all going to be fluctuating throughout this as well. And I do think there's going to be a transition of wealth from some of these markets to the cryptocurrency market now, especially when many of these investors see the type of profits many people are making in a short period of time. Many of these altcoins going up over 300%. Those are just unheard of profits in any other markets in the world. So I do know people will be wanting to get into this, at least with a small percent of their portfolio. So this inflation from coronavirus and everything is actually going to kickstart the next bull run, in my opinion. Even without everything happening that's already bullish in crypto, the inflation would have made the price rise a lot on its own. That next to the Bitcoin halving and all the staking and decentralized finance that's going on with crypto as well, being able to earn passive income on crypto, all bullish stuff that's definitely making the crypto space get a lot of attention. So something else huge that recently happened was the third Bitcoin halving, which I think is going to help push the price up of all altcoins as well. So as the price of Bitcoin goes up from this, we'll be seeing the price of altcoins follow. Just like when Bitcoin dumps, altcoins usually dump as well. So according to this post-Bitcoin halving rally chart, we should be seeing at least 1,500% price increase for Bitcoin by mid-2021. So if this does play out, we will be seeing a Bitcoin price of about $115,000 or more, and we will be having the price of altcoins following that as well. Also, we're seeing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies compared to many bullish markets in the past, like oil in 1890, gold in the 70s, and the stock market in the 70s. So Ethereum staking is coming soon as well, which will cause a supply shock for Ethereum, which will help push the entire crypto space forward as well, in my opinion. We're also getting staking for Cardano as they launch their mainnet at the end of July, which I'm very bullish on, and holding a lot of ADA in anticipation for this, as well as a Coinbase listing and smart contracts by the end of the year as well. So these are all bullish things that I definitely think are going to help push the entire cryptocurrency space forward. Lots of attention is coming to crypto, and I think all of these things is why many altcoins are going up anywhere from 200 to 1,000% in just a few weeks span time, which is unheard of profits in other markets. So I'm going to go through a list of about 15 altcoins that have had huge profits lately in the last month pretty much. I think this pretty much proves that we're in the next altcoin season, and we can be seeing many altcoins doing much better than this even in the upcoming months. I do think this is only the beginning as well, so many of these altcoins that have already gone up 500% or more could rally another 500 to 1,000% by the mid-2021, depending on the altcoin and what they're doing and how much adoption they do get. But this is a great sign that the entire crypto space is going to be moving forward. Many altcoins seeing this type of profits is going to get a lot of attention to the cryptocurrency space. People want to be able to pick up quick profits like this and be able to day trade on this type of scale. Earning massive return on investment like this is just very appealing to many traditional investors that are also looking for a hedge against inflation right now to keep their money safe and even make some good profits at the same time. So if you're just holding your money in your savings account, you're actually losing purchasing power on that money. So what you can actually buy with that same amount of money is going to go down from year to year. While if you invest it and you do make good choices with what you're investing in, you could turn that into 3 or 4 times what you originally had. So Chainlink, just back in April 2019 was 40 cents. Now it's $7.30, one of the best performing altcoins in the cryptocurrency space, especially in the top 20. It's now moved up to rank 11, which is just insane. So unfortunately, I didn't pick up any Chainlink at the lower prices, but this is a very interesting project, so I am going to do a full video review on this project very soon. So do look out for that on my channel in the next couple of weeks. Next on the list is going to be VeChain, a very interesting project as well. Now at the price of 0.018 cents. Very recently, end of May was 0.005, so up over 3x in just a span of a few weeks. Pretty good profits in my opinion, and many people are saying this is going to be one of the top performing altcoins in the crypto space. I will be doing a project review on VeChain very soon as well. So next on the list is going to be LRON-ERD. I did put this as one of my bullish altcoins for July in my recent video. So at that time the price was 0.008, so the price is nearly doubled now at 0.015. The price has pretty much been shooting straight upwards, almost at 10x from the beginning of June. So this is leading up to their mainnet launch, which is going to be at the end of July. This is why I'm also very bullish on Cardano, because they are launching their mainnet staking and a Coinbase listing around the end of July, beginning of August as well. And I don't think Cardano has had anywhere close to the type of profits that Elron has had. But this project does look pretty legit, and I will be looking into this further and doing a review later on as well. So always be careful buying into these cryptocurrencies at peak prices like this. Even though they could continue climbing, there's most likely going to be a price correction at some point where the price will fall pretty drastically, and that's a good time to buy in if you are considering buying that coin. So Crypto.com coin, CRO, has gone up a lot in the near future as well. This project does a lot of big things and a lot of big marketing for crypto and Bitcoin in general. So they were at around 4 cents mid-March when we did have that March dip, now at about 14 to 15 cents. So up about 300% in a very short period of time, doing pretty good. So this project is doing a lot of things that I think could definitely make it one of the top gainers in the next crypto bull run as well. So this is a pretty bullish crypto altcoin in general. So Cardano ADA at 12 to 13 cents right now. I do think this has a lot more room to move up, headed towards the mainnet launch that's going to be at the end of July. So even though Cardano ADA is up 120% already, I think it still has a lot more room to grow. If you want to learn more on why I'm so bullish on Cardano ADA, I do have a lot of recent videos on my channel that go over that in detail. So next, I'm most bullish on SparkPoint SRK. This is up over 600% in the last couple months. Pretty much it's still in price discovery. The market cap is still a micro cap at $1.7 million only. They are getting new exchanges very quickly. They just added 3 new devs, which doubled their dev team. They're doing all kinds of massive things that I definitely think could push the price up of this very soon. Binance CZ has also taken notice to this project, so I definitely think there's some huge things in the works for the future. So some other cryptos that have done massive profits lately, Reserve Rights RSR has gone up significantly since the beginning of June, from 0.0035 all the way up to 0.0085 now. Synthetics Network token at 260 currently. At the beginning of June was only 75 cents, some massive profits there in a short period of time. StakeNet, XSN, all DeFi coins that are doing extremely well right now. DeFi is one of the big things in the crypto space right now, so many of these coins are pumping pretty huge. So this is currently at 25 cents. June 23rd was only 6 cents, massive, nearly 5x on that one already. Rocket Pool RPL at 180. This one was only at 40 cents in April. So massive profits there as well. Unibright UBT currently 36 cents. It was 9 cents. Aurora AOA has pumped 280% today, pretty massive. Now at a $91 million market cap. This shot up from nothing, 0.003, and now it's at 0.013. Kusama KSM at $8. In the past was around $2 and less. Theta Fuel, T-Fuel, this one up over 1,000% and has corrected, but still up pretty huge from 0.0018 now to 0.008, up about 8x, 800%. Theta token itself at about 25 cents currently. This started at 7 cents and less and did peak at about 50 cents, so some pretty massive profits there as well, leading up to their mainnet launch. So something these all have in common is they were cryptos that are doing something pretty massive, either decentralized finance or launching their mainnet and staking. So now I'm going to go through the list of coins that haven't gone up much yet and I think have huge potential for the near future, starting with Augur REP at $18.50. So this actually has a mainnet launch coming on July 28th this month, and the price hasn't moved too much yet. If we look at the recent price action, the price currently being at $18.50. At the end of May, the price was $12.50, so it has gone up a little bit, but not that much, comparing this to other altcoins. So I do think this has potential to move up a lot, depending what this mainnet is going to be including and what features it's adding to the blockchain and their project. So this is one that could be a good buy. Harmony 1, I've been hearing a lot of people talk about as well. This one's been pretty flat at a 0.004, currently at 0.006, so it hasn't moved much either, and this does have staking on Binance and some other platforms. Cosmos Atom hasn't moved much yet either. It did move up pretty good in the past week on the announcement of some big news, going from $2.50 to $4. But I still think this has huge room for growth, and I definitely think that's coming by end of 2020. This all-time high was at about $7 or more. Hollow Hot, 0.007 current price. This is pretty flat as well. I don't know much about this project, but it hasn't moved much, and I do see a lot of people talking about this one. It is in the top 100 as well. Dragon Chain Dragon, currently at 9 cents. This is significantly lower than its all-time high, which was about $5 or more at the peak of the last bull run. Now at around 10 cents is just extremely low. I don't know what this project is working on or building, but it hasn't had a huge price rise in the near future, so we could be seeing some price movement if this project is working on anything big lately. It was recently at 12 cents as well. Qdom, I did see that has a mainnet launch coming. I don't know what features that is going to bring to this project, but this is one that is pretty low price still compared to its all-time high, and hasn't really moved much with the other altcoins that have been moving up. So it did go up from 168 to 220, but that's nowhere near close to the type of profits these other projects had, like Elrond, VeChain, Chainlink, Synthetics Network, and all these other projects have gone up over 500% or more. So some of these projects only going up about 30%. I do think they could be one of the next altcoins to pump very soon. So I think this definitely confirms we're in the next altcoin season now in the cryptocurrency space, and we're going to be seeing many other altcoins continue to pump headed towards the end of 2020. I'm definitely most bullish on Cardano ADA for end of 2020 with everything they have launching. I think once that Coinbase listing is announced as well and everyone's accumulating for staking, I think this price is going to skyrocket, just like we're seeing many other cryptos moving up now as well. So definitely very bullish on altcoins right now, especially if we start seeing Bitcoin moving up. That's going to be even more bullish for altcoins, which I think Bitcoin is definitely going to be going over $10,000 in the next couple months here. We're going to be seeing inflation kicking in soon as well. So the price of all cryptocurrencies is going to be going up because of that. So very bullish on cryptocurrencies in general. I haven't seen projects doing this type of return on investment since the beginning of 2018 and end of 2017. So this is a great sign. Even though the global market cap is still pretty low, I definitely think we'll be passing that $1 trillion global crypto market cap for the first time very soon. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified when I make new cryptocurrency videos. Also comment below what are your thoughts on the cryptocurrency space and what are your top altcoin picks for end of 2020. Thank you guys again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.